Powerful and so precise that many experts are calling it technology from time travel. This new electric motor is faster, lighter, and more energy efficient than ever before. No noise, no delay. This system responds instantly, making the driving experience smoother and more controlled than ever before. Tesla has optimized the motor through its design and software integration so that it can produce more output with less energy. And perhaps this is the point where Tesla has jumped miles ahead of the rest. But the question arises, how did Tesla do this? What is the technology behind this? And what will it change? Now, this story begins with Tesla's revolutionary motor, which not only changed the car, it changed the game. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get every important information related to technology first. Today, when you look at the roads, it is clear that the world is going through a huge change. Electric cars are now replacing petrol and diesel. EV, which was once considered just an experiment, is now slowly becoming the need and priority of every country. And Elon Musk has also said the same thing many times in his interviews. The future belongs to electric vehicles. Today, America, Europe, China, India, every big country is investing heavily in the EV industry. Governments are giving subsidies. Companies are launching new models, and the charging infrastructure is being strengthened. By 2030, many countries plan to completely stop petrol and diesel cars. In such a situation, it is clear that EV is not just an option, but has become a need of the times to come. Be it China's BYD, America's Tesla, or India's Tata, all companies have entered the market with new models of EV. And most importantly, now these vehicles are not only better for the environment, but are also proving to be beneficial for the common people due to long range, low maintenance, and economical running cost. Talking about Tesla, Elon Musk started this whole revolution. And now when the whole market is shifting towards EV, Tesla is leading it. It is clear the era of EV has begun. And if you have not taken this change seriously till now, then you can be left behind in the coming future. In the coming few years, only those companies, governments, and people who will adopt this change quickly will be able to stay in this race. Tesla has been at the forefront of electric vehicle technology for the past several years. But this time, the step taken is not just moving forward, but a jump that will surprise the entire industry. Elon Musk and his engineering team have introduced a new type of electric motor that can give a completely new turn to the current race of EVs. The most important part of this new motor is its carbon-wrapped rotor. Although this word may sound technical, its benefits are so extraordinary that every expert is now paying attention to it. Traditional motors have metal parts which heat up, expand, and wear out over time. This is the reason why there is a limit on their performance, be it speed or power. But the carbon fiber rotor used in this new motor of Tesla breaks all these limitations. It can rotate very fast, yet neither heats up nor bends nor wears out quickly. Its stability is so strong that it can operate at speeds of over 20,000 revolutions per minute, without breaking down or overheating. This figure is much higher than normal high-performance motors, which often begin to falter when they reach around 16,000 revolutions per minute. This time Tesla has made such an improvement in motor technology that can give a new standard to the entire EV industry. This is not just an upgrade of an existing system, but a design that changes both the construction and performance of the motor. The biggest advantage of this new motor is that it is faster, lighter, and more durable than before. It gives more torque with less energy consumption, and it can work continuously for a long time. Less rare metals have been used in its manufacture, which reduces its cost and makes it easier to produce on a large scale. This aspect is especially important because with this the company can speed up production, which is necessary for the rapidly increasing graph of EV demand. While other companies are still engaged in improving traditional motor technologies, Tesla has prepared for the next generation with this new design. Due to this, Tesla gets an edge not only in terms of performance, but also in production cost and scalability. Acceleration figures are also impressive. Cars equipped with the new motor can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2 seconds. This is not just a demonstration of acceleration, but an example of the technical control and balance that Tesla brings to its systems. This new motor from Tesla brings a solution that directly addresses the major problems that have long been associated with electric vehicles, especially battery consumption and limited range. This motor does not drain the battery as fast as any older performance model, but instead uses energy more efficiently. This Tesla technology is extremely balanced. It delivers more power with less energy loss. Also, its design is such that it keeps the temperature under control without the need for a heavy cooling system. Made of lightweight carbon fiber, this motor makes the whole car run more stable, quieter, and smoother than before. The biggest question in the EV segment has always been, can the car travel long distances without frequent charging? This motor from Tesla eliminates this concern to a large extent. It delivers high performance, but keeps the battery consumption under control. This means fewer charging breaks, longer range, and less stress on the battery. With this, driving is not just an experience, but a part of confidence. Now, users don't have to choose between speed and utility. They get both without any compromise. And the most interesting part is that Tesla has also kept cost in mind while developing this technology. The motor has been simplified and uses fewer rare metals, which reduces manufacturing costs. This directly benefits either the consumer in the form of lower prices or better profits for the company. While other companies are still trying to find this balance, Tesla has already achieved it and is now moving towards making it the new industry standard. The race for electric vehicles was not going to stop so soon. The world's big companies like Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen had invested heavily to establish their hold in the EV segment. At the same time, new startups like Lucid and Rivian entered the market with fresh ideas and technology. Companies like China's BYD were also showing a steady increase in sales figures. For a time, it seemed that Tesla's grip might loosen. But then Tesla introduced its new carbon-wrapped motor, and the whole game changed. While traditional auto companies have been engaged in making electric versions of ICE, internal combustion engine, cars till now, Tesla has been designing vehicles for EVs from the very beginning. Many of their vehicles are built on completely new platforms which are light, efficient, and capable of giving better performance. While old manufacturers are still making EVs from plants that were originally built for petrol-diesel vehicles, Tesla's plants have been designed for electric vehicles from the beginning. Not only that, where other companies rely on external suppliers for batteries and motors, Tesla makes its batteries and now motors in-house. This gives the company control not only over costs, but also over the speed and quality of production. As for startups, Lucid has launched a fast sedan, but its price and limited availability put it out of reach for the average consumer. Rivian's trucks are capable, but production delays and rising costs are holding them back. These companies have innovation, but neither the production capacity nor the speed of scale of Tesla today. While other companies are looking for a stable model, Tesla is already ready for the next leap. BYD may be the world's largest EV seller today, but a large part of its success is based on low-cost models from China. When it comes to technology, driving range, and performance, Tesla is still a step ahead. And the real difference is when we talk about software. Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, system is constantly improving. It's not just code. It's training itself every day by taking data from vehicles on the road around the world. So far, the system has accumulated millions of miles of experience, which no other automaker has. This is where the difference lies. While other companies are trying to stay afloat in the EV market, Tesla is changing the rules of the game. Batteries and AI, Tesla's real strength. Tesla knows that a great motor is incomplete without the right battery. It's with this thought in mind that Tesla developed its next-generation battery, the 4680 cell. These batteries store more energy, charge faster, and last longer. The new battery design increases range without adding weight to the car. It also features improved cooling, which prevents the battery from heating up quickly and increases its lifespan. Also, these cells work in perfect harmony with Tesla's new carbon-wrapped motor, giving the car a strong, durable, and efficient power system. Tesla is also quietly making big leaps in AI. Where other companies still rely on mapping systems and LiDAR, Tesla's system tries to learn like a human. It is vision-based. It sees through the camera, learns from experience, and constantly updates itself. Every Tesla car is not just a vehicle. It's a walking data center. Every time a Tesla drives down the road, it collects information from the environment around it, traffic patterns, signal responses, driver behavior, and thousands of other inputs. This data is sent directly to Tesla's systems where it's used to improve AI models. The result is that the more Tesla cars on the road, the more real-world data is collected and the faster Tesla's self-driving technology improves. That's why Tesla's autonomous features get better every week. Even while your car is parked in the garage, it continues to gain new capabilities through software updates. Now, imagine when this intelligent system is connected to Tesla's new generation of batteries and motors, which are more efficient, longer-lasting, and more durable. It's not just a vehicle, it's an entire technology platform. Now, let's talk about Tesla's manufacturing strategy. While other companies are struggling with limited supply chains and production delays, Tesla is constantly building plants in new markets. Starting with Shanghai, gigafactories are now active in Berlin, Austin, Texas, and several other locations. What's special about these plants is their design, where measures like robotic automation, casting technology, and vertical integration in production are making cars in less time, at a lower cost, and with better quality. Tesla didn't just make faster cars, it changed the process of making cars. And that's why, while competitors are still solving basic problems, Tesla has built an entire ecosystem, one that is outpacing the entire industry. In Europe, Tesla is now challenging long-established players like Volkswagen on their home turf. In the most competitive market like China, Tesla is still holding its ground, especially in the premium segment. In the US, it is already the biggest player in the EV market. But Tesla's strategy is not limited to this. It is now focused on emerging markets like India, the Middle East, and South America. Tesla understands that it is better to shape the future than to wait for it. That is why it is focusing on building early trust and a strong brand presence in these new